any questions for her?
Okay, do you go to church
Yes, every Sunday.
every Sunday? Okay, what's your toxic trait?
I might care too much. Like, I want to know if everything's okay. Like, did you, like, how was the drive?
Was you here, are you healed from your last relationship?
Yes.
Okay, and my last question is, what have you traveled to, like where you like to travel? Do you have a passport?
I don't have a passport.
Okay, I work on
You
that
gonna
with
pop me?
Huh?
You gonna pop me?
You say y'all got to work on that one.
Work on it.
Oh, yeah,
I like
I'm not
that.
worried about all
He
that.
has
Everybody
one.
gotta get all that.
Yeah, I need to get one.
Okay.
So this is a match?
Yeah, it's a mess for me. What she can?
Yes.
I'm good.